Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I will share to you on how to make starter yeast sourdough. So please stay connected as I will make this series from scratch to a perfect, yummy, fluffy, and healthy sourdough bread. We need flour. You can use all-purpose flour or unbleached flour, much better. Then we need also water. I prefer to use bottled water, warm bottled water. Then our jar, we need also glass jar. Then our spatula, mixing bowl. Of course, we need measuring cups. Then gloves. We need 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of bottled water. Making the starter is easy. We just combine the ingredients, then mix it well until all it will be combined. After we mix, we will put it in the clean jar, a glass jar. After we put it in the jar, we will put a towel or a clean cloth and then set aside. In this time, I will make my starter relax and sleep for overnight. See you tomorrow, my baby! Good morning, my baby. So today is your day 2 of making. In this time, I see a little bit of bubbles. Then we're gonna mix. I am happy of the reaction of my starter because I see a little bit of bubbles. And this time, we're gonna feed our starter. I put 1/2 cup of flour, then 1/2 cup of our starter, the remaining of our starter we're gonna discard. Discard means throw out, or we will not use it. Then we will add 1/3 cup of water. Again, same procedure, we're gonna mix until it will be combined. Then again, we will gonna put it in the clean jar. After we feed our starter, we're gonna close it and put it again in the corner of our kitchen. I put label so that I won't forget. In day 2, after feeding, again I make my baby starter sleep and relax for overnight. See you tomorrow, my love. Please keep in mind that the time sitting is more important. I usually feed at 9:30 in the morning. In day 3, I see some improvement of my starter. It grows up. I see also that there are some bubbles. And again, I am so much happy that still we are in the right track. And same procedure from the day 2 that we will mix the starter before feeding it. Then I will add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, or you can use also the unbleached. 1/2 cup starter, and discard the remaining starter. And again, we will add 1/3 cup of warm bottled water, or you can use also the tap water, and mix until it is sticky. Then this time again, we will put in the clean jar. And again, cover it and let it relax and sleep. Why I have rubber band? I use this one as a sign for the measurement of my starter. And again, I write day 3 so that I will not forget. And this is the after feeding. Have a relax again, my baby. See you tomorrow. Again, in day 4, same procedure. In the past few days, we need to discard and feed the starter. In day 4, you will notice the sour smell, and it is okay and natural. It is normal for the reaction of our starter. And again, combine and mix the ingredients. Mix everything and stir until it is completely incorporated. Again, recover the jar. And in this time, I will let my starter sleep in more warm area. I choose in our storage room. In day 5, the starter is ready to use if it has a healthy sour or fruity smell. But for me, I still keep feeding my starter until it will be completely mature. So let's find out on how many days more we need. So we will see what happened to our starter. Today is the day 5. So how are you now? So we will see now what's the looks of our starter. Oh, very nice. I see now the visible bubbles. And the texture, it's too fluffy and sticky. So again, we will do the discard and feeding time. Feeding time is usually 9:30. And now again, we will gonna make our starter relax for overnight. Today is the day 6. Oh wow, so lovely. It's very nice. And again, we will gonna make the discard and feeding time. The same as usual for the ingredients that we will gonna use from the previous time. I am excited today because today is the 7th day of our starter, and obviously I see some bubbles. So now again, we will gonna make the feed and discard system, the same procedure and the same ingredients and amount. For those who want to be connected in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates, especially this series. So I feel a little bit nervous for tomorrow because tomorrow is the judgment day of my starter. So today is the 8th day and the floating test day. So now I am so much happy because my starter become double in size, and this is the perfect sign that our starter is really active and we are in the right track to make this sourdough starter. And still, I feel a little bit nervous because maybe it will be failed, especially in the floating test. Now we will see how it is. Oh wow! I can't believe it. See? It's floated. Wow! Very nice. It's really floating. It's literally floating. So it means our start is really perfect now. So this time, I therefore conclude that we can use this now to make our sourdough bread, or even in the pastries, we can do the sourdough cookies, sourdough pancakes, everything that you want to do with the starter, you can do. So now, we'll be enjoying the floating test. So please, if you want to be connected, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So now we can use this one, the sourdough bread, and these are my creations. So next time, I will gonna share to you also on how to make the sourdough bread and how to activate the sourdough bread. So see you in my next vlog. Bye!
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you.